Hey guys, it's Haley and welcome to my channel, and if you are not new, welcome back. In today's video, I am so excited because last night in the mail, I just got, as you guys already know from the title of the video, my Shane Dawson by Jeffree Star Cosmetics collaboration, The Conspiracy Palette. You guys, can you see this? I know that this palette, their whole series, I was here for it. I was here for all of it. It just kind of gives you a huge insight into the beauty world and how collaborations work, everything like that. Myself personally, I was very, very interested in that side of things, the whole business side of things, the way things work from start to finish when it comes to an influencer or anybody, even just creating a makeup palette, what goes into it with companies. So I found the whole thing just super interesting. For this to be the outcome of that whole thing, hats off. Kudos, props, this is amazing. Do you guys see? I'm usually not a person who is super into packaging. I don't really care if there are mirrors, if they're not, what it's in. I'm more interested in the eyeshadows. This packaging right here has to be easily, hands down, the most intricate packaging of any sort of makeup product that I own. This is $52, by the way. For $52, this is an absolutely outstanding value. Whether or not you like what colors are in it, it is a collector's item piece if that's your thing for makeup, in my opinion. On the outside of the packaging, I know everybody's seen this, but it has these little flip clips here. And look at this bad boy in all of its glory. The thing that I like the most about it is that it has something for your basic girl at the very top, very wearable, what I'm wearing now. It has all your pops of color in the middle, and then on the bottom, this is more of like your wintry shades or like your cool tone shades. If you're scared to get this, don't be. There's definitely gonna be shades in here that you can wear, and also it just kind of like makes you step out of the box a little bit with your makeup if you're not into those types of colors. I'm filming this so impromptu, last minute. This whole video is all over the place. I entirely apologize. I'm about to race off to my other job. If you guys are not new here, you know I'm an NHL ice girl, whatever. I needed to do my makeup for that, which is also why I did something that was a little more basic and wearable. So sorry if you came here for some exciting makeup look. I didn't do that. I'm sorry. And I need to go now. Like, I need to go now. If you guys are curious to see the eyeshadow palette in action and see how I achieved this somewhat of a halo eye look that I have going on here, let's go ahead and get started. I have no idea what kind of look I'm gonna do. Like I said, I am going to work right now, so I kind of have to keep it somewhat not too psychotic looking. Okay. I'm so sorry about the background. Also, if you see that little spot that's on my mirror back there that it now will not focus on me for the life of me, it's from my fake blood. If you follow me on Instagram, for Halloween I was Pennywise and somehow blood ended up on my mirror back there and I haven't cleaned it off. So I'm gonna take a really big fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with Tanacon, the iconic brown transition shade here. Work that in my crease area. Wow, I already know I love that color. Wow, that looks so good. Oh my God, I love this color. And then I'm going to deepen the crease a tiny bit with Diet Root Beer, which is that next darkest brown shade. So basic, love that. I'm gonna add this down here with the same Diet Root Beer shade so that we start getting a halo eye. So now I'm taking spiraling right here and I'm going to add that over the top of where I started to do the halo eye with Diet Root Beer. And I may actually put a little extra powder underneath my eye, just in case there's any fallout, so I don't need that on my face. I just want you guys to know I am barely tapping these eyeshadows, like barely touching these eyeshadows. So if you're someone who is heavy-handed with eyeshadow, I would suggest to be extremely careful with this eyeshadow palette because it's very pigmented. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer. We're gonna go into the center and I'm going to use Just a Theory, which is this shade right here that was next to spiraling, and I'm going to use my finger to put that on the very center of my, wow, these feel so soft, very center of my eyelid in that space. That's so pretty. Wow. The eyeshadows just feel so soft, it's crazy. All right, so that's basically done. I look psychotic. Let me finish the rest of my face and then I'll come back and we'll chat again. All right, so I got my eyeliner, my eyebrows, my eyelashes, everything good on, and everything looks a lot better in my opinion. So it just takes, you know, you gotta wait for the full picture to come together. To finish this off really fast, and I gotta go quick because I'm already running late, I am going to do ranch and put that in my inner corner, just a little dab of ranch. Wow, that is pretty. I'm gonna do this up here on my brow bone as well. Wow, that looks so nice. And then on the lower lash line, I don't like to do a lot of crazy stuff to my lower lash line, but I'm gonna combine both. Do I want to do something crazy? I can't really do anything crazy right now. So I'm gonna combine both Tanacon and Diet Root Beer on a little flat line brush and just lightly put that underneath my lower lash line, and then take one of my original blender brushes that I used earlier and just fluff everything out just to make sure it's not a harsh line down there, make it a little more smoky. And now I'm gonna just add a touch of mascara, and I just need to line my lips because I feel like a naked rat. And that completes the makeup look just like that. I am pleasantly surprised with how this turned out, actually. I think it looks really good. I'm sorry that the lighting is going really crazy. I don't have my ring light. I don't have any of my regular setup that I usually do. Not that it's anything great, but I'm just having it on a tripod in front of my window, so sorry. But I was just so excited about this palette. I really wanted to get this done, get this up for you. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe I can make it slightly brighter. That really completes everything for this little last minute eye makeup look that I put together with the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star Cosmetics Conspiracy palette. I was so excited to get this in the mail. I wanted to get this up as soon as I could for you. I'm sorry I'm rushing. I really have to go to work. I'm sorry it's boring, but you know what? This kind of look is a out of the box for a boring girl. You know what I mean? I know if you guys didn't get your hands on it, I am so sorry. I barely got my hands on it and it was quite the struggle, but hopefully in the early 2020 you guys will be able to get it. I really gotta go. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.